In her second day presenting her closing arguments, Deputy Public Defender Anita Naba painstakingly reviewed testimony from several prosecution and defense witnesses, trying to discredit or highlight certain testimony with the goal of convincing a jury to find her client Antoine Watson guilty of a lesser crime. This is a unique case. The accused, Antoine Watson, was 19 when he slammed into 84-year-old Vicha on the streets of San Francisco, sending him into a coma and ultimately to his death. The crime was caught on camera, and Watson has never disputed it happened. But his public defender is attempting to convince jurors that prosecutors didn't meet their burden of proof for a murder charge and presented a slate to them with a heading that reads, "At the end of the prosecution's case, your vote is not guilty." Today, Watson's attorney also provided the jury a picture of Watson, she says was taken when he was 19, just before the January 2021 attack, and asked the jury to discount some of the recorded calls presented during trial of Watson talking to family about the attack while he was in jail. She also asked them to consider something called implicit bias, or the jurors' own possible stereotypes or unconscious attitudes towards the defendant. She told the jury, quote, "You trust that you will not have implicit bias enter your thoughts when listening to jail calls." After Deputy Public Defender Naba's detailed closing statement, Assistant District Attorney Sean Connolly presented the prosecution's rebuttal and noted his colleague's meticulous closing, saying that he would not be going detail by detail to refute it. The prosecutor did refute some of the defense counsel's main points, particularly about malice and intent. He also refuted a theory called stressed response that the defense had argued could have triggered the crime. The prosecutor told jurors, "You cannot say I was having a bad day, I was having a stressed response, so I'm going to murder someone. We don't get to do that." Connolly wrapped up his rebuttal this afternoon. Jurors will now begin their deliberations. In San Francisco, Sergio Quintana, NBC Bay Area News.